Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X research and professional physicist. And today I'd like to bring to you another one of my articles. This one is entitled Planet X Debris Field Impacting Earth. Now, as I have detailed in several previous articles, the Planet X system of stellar cores has been generating debris in the solar system, and this debris has been entering Earth's atmosphere and producing strange cloud formations which emit light and are therefore luminescent. And you may look at Article 271 entitled Planet X Debris Entering the Atmosphere and Article 274 entitled Stellar Core Debris in the Atmosphere or a Failed Rocket Launch. It seems to have started in 1850 when luminescent clouds were first observed at very high altitudes and have been referred to as noctilucent clouds. Thus, the year of 1850 marks the likely beginning of this system starting its invasion of our solar system. And you may look at Article 272 entitled Noctilucent Clouds and Planet X Debris in the Earth's Atmosphere. But there is now additional evidence that stellar core debris is continuously reaching Earth and entering our atmosphere, which I will present in this article. And in this figure we see it's a photograph of this very strange cloud in the Earth's atmosphere. And there are different portions of this cloud that are emitting light in various different colors: orange, red, pink, and dark blue. You can see several. You can see some pink here, some dark blue. Here's almost purple, this orange, almost yellow, and some red tones. Now, this cloud cannot be produced through any normal mechanism in the Earth's atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere is only supposed to have white and gray clouds. It's not possible for the sun to illuminate the Earth and produce colors that would look like this. This is actually a cloud that's emitting light in these different wavelengths. But in the Earth's atmosphere, the entrance of stellar core debris, which is depleted in energy and electrons, and through the mechanism of water condensation around the dust or small rocks entering the atmosphere, together with electron capture, is able to explain the formation of these strange clouds in our atmosphere. But it takes stellar core debris entering the atmosphere, and therefore this is evidence of stellar core debris being in our atmosphere. And because we continuously see these colors in our atmosphere nowadays, it means that this debris is continuously entering our atmosphere. Now, the water condensation around the stellar core debris would lose electrons to the debris and would thus become electron depleted as well. Then, as the water absorbs electrons from other atoms in the atmosphere, it would emit photons and thus give off light of various wavelengths or colors. It is also possible that light in wavelengths not detected by the human eye would be given off by some of the debris interacting with the Earth's atmosphere, such as ultraviolet light, which may then explain why more UVC radiation is reaching the surface of the Earth than can reach the top of the atmosphere after being emitted by the sun. And you may look at Article 264 entitled Planet X Affecting Earth and Radiation Exposure Concerns. Now, below are graphs showing particle density data coming from the DISCOVER, which stands for Deep Space Climate Observatory spacecraft, which is in the L1 position, as is the ACE Advanced Composition Explorer spacecraft, and they're both designed to monitor incoming solar wind conditions. Now, these graphs here show that both on June 12th, you can see June 12th here, and June 16th, 2018, there were sharp particle density peaks detected. You can see this is 12. and this is on the 16th. And both occurred close to midnight, even closer for the one on the 16th. So these were the peaks detected, and this would mean that a sudden and very short-lived high-density stream of particles went past the spacecraft on those two occasions. This is consistent with a small cloud of debris coming in toward Earth. It is not consistent with solar wind particles, as the solar wind density goes up and down, but over a much greater time span, and would therefore not create these intense sharp peaks. So in addition, as detailed in Article 270 entitled Planet X and the A Spacecraft Solar Wind Simulation, it has become quite obvious that the ACE data derived simulations of the Earth's magnetosphere are being manipulated in order to hide changes in density patterns. This is being done by making highs in density appear to be lows in density. It is therefore likely that this is done in an attempt to hide any sharp peaks in the density that would signal the continuous arrival of debris clouds. Since stellar core matter leads to the creation of clouds which give off light in various bright colors, which would not normally be observed in the Earth's atmosphere, the observation of these colors in the Earth's atmosphere is most likely due to the presence and signals the continual entrance of stellar core debris into the Earth's atmosphere. And here we see some of these colors that are being produced in the Earth's atmosphere that are not quite normal, including this bright, very bright blue, this pink color, this orangey or burnt orange color, this purple, this intense blue, and this pink here, or magenta. So bright, strange colors observed in the Earth's atmosphere would signal the insertion and absorption of stellar core matter into the Earth's atmosphere. So pink, orange, bright blue clouds in the atmosphere can only be explained if one understands that stellar core matter absorbs energy and is electron depleted, and will thus cause the emission of light in these colors when it comes into contact with the Earth's atmosphere. Or the matter in the Earth's atmosphere. The reaction is electrical, so it will also most likely often lead to the creation of electric storms in the atmosphere, which will also lead to lightning in colors that would not normally be observed in the Earth's atmosphere. Most of the time, lightning in the Earth's atmosphere is simply white, but here we observed pink, this pink, maybe pinky red color, and this purple lightning here. So now it should not be surprising that the stellar core debris is continuously reaching Earth, as I have detailed in Article 259 entitled Large Planet X Object and Debris in the Inner Solar System. The Planet X system's stellar cores share their outer layers of material and have as a result filled the solar system with a huge amount of debris. This debris can usually be seen in most sun-observing satellite images, and here is one of them. As you can see, one of the stellar cores moving away from the sun within CME material here. This is a cactus image. This is the sun, and you can see several bright spots all over the image. And these bright spots are, of course, not stars. These are due to the debris that is filling the solar system, and these objects, this matter is absorbing electrons, and that's causing to light emission. This is why they look bright in this image, and most people would tend to say that these are stars in the background, but why do they appear in front of the sun then? We cannot see stars through the sun. These are the effects. This is the evidence that the solar system is filled with clouds of debris as a result of the Planet X system having invaded the solar system. And as I said before, it came in a long time ago. It must have started coming in at least by 1850 in order for noctilucent clouds to appear then. Now, stellar core matter is energy absorbing and as this matter interacts with the Earth, it will absorb Earth's energy, which it generates in its core, and will lead to the Earth increasing its pace of energy generation, thus causing the Earth to increase in temperature at all levels. This will in turn increase the severity of storms, increase earthquake and volcanic activity, and as the energy continues to drop, these occurrences will keep increasing both in severity and frequency. Also, as Earth's energy drops, so will its gravitational influence, which will cause the Earth to expand, which will in turn cause it to fissure and sinkholes to appear in ever increasing frequency. And you may look at article 247 entitled The Effect of the Planet X System on the Earth for more details on that. As you can see, this is the fissuring. This is due to the breaking up or the breaking open of the Earth's surface as the Earth expands because its gravitational influence is decreasing. So in conclusion, stellar core debris is continuously reaching the Earth and entering the atmosphere, where it reacts with matter in the atmosphere, giving rise to cloud formations, which then give off light in several bright colors, which would not normally be observed in the atmosphere. It thus becomes clear that the Earth is now being impacted by the Planet X system debris field, which continues to fill the solar system. This is Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X physicist. Thank you for watching.